Hello all. In this video, we will discuss about the sample code for ADC in PIC 16F877E. That is how to initialize the ADC in PIC and also how to display the values in LCD. Include the header files. For LCD initialization, here I am using define RC0, RC1, RC2. Here I mention LCD initialization part. This lines are LCD command function. This lines are LCD data function. We will directly move to main function. Here I declared LCD and sensor as an input or output, and that port register will be high or low. Analog pin is connected in port A, so tris A0 equal to 1, that is RE0 will be 1. All other pin is low condition. Print ADC value. So I am using 12th position to display the values. Now I move to ADC function. Set the ADCON 0 values. Once refer what values we need to assign in ADCON 0. In ADCON 1, we will specify the configuration bits. Which pins are analog, which pins are digital. Most important is left justified or right justified. We will get 10-bit binary values. For defining right and left justified only, we can store the 10 bits using two 8-bit registers. ADC conversion, wait until conversion finished. Lower 8 bits values are stored in ADRESL. Higher 2 bits are stored in ADRESH. I need 10 bit, so I am using left shift for getting the 9th and 10th bit. Now I got 10 bit values. The 10 bit values will be 0 to 1023. The values are stored in ADC VAL variable. I need to print the values what we are getting from ADC conversion. For example, I am having 1023. We need to separate individually 1, 0, 2, 3. Here I am using simple logic, division and modular division logics. Based on my logic, I implement to separate the values and display in LCD. LCD data pins are connected to port B. The values are sent to data pins and it will be displayed in 1023. Run the program. If any errors occurs, rectify it. There is no errors. Using build and rebuild option, I simulate the program. Using Proteus software, I simulate the program. First of all, pick and place the elements. Which elements we need, pick and place it. Based on our program, connect the elements. Data pins are connected to port B. RS RW enable pins are connected in port C. Analog input is connected to RA0. Now feed the program hex file. Run it. We will get the output values. Based on changes, input changes, output values will be changed. Based on any applications, we can use this program code. For example, temperature sensor, moisture sensor, like that. We can use this code for this applications. Thank you.